Hello and welcome to Mikia. My name's Michelle Edhouse, and today I am going to be pouring a special video. Now this is for somebody who has been following me for a while, and he is, if any of you are part of my my gorgeous peeps that come and follow me and do my live videos with me, you will recognize as soon as I start putting in the colors who this is for. Now this is a very sweet man who I am super duper grateful for. He makes smart comments. I adore him. Anyway, so what? It's only on cardboard, but that's so that I can post it to him when it's dry. So let's get started. I'm only going to be using two colors in this pour, and some of you will now already know who it is and what I'm doing, but this is for my dear friend Doug. So Doug, I thought what you might enjoy would be a bottle bottom pour. So that is what we are gonna do, I've got my 2 tins of paint, and let's start. Those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, Doug is always telling me I don't use enough black in my pours, and occasionally he's mentioned that I should do a black on black pour. So that is the plan with this. And those of you that haven't, oops, I don't think I've put enough paint on in these tins. Those of you that are new to acrylic pouring may not know that bottle bottom pours, you're supposed to, let me just get a bit more paint in this other one because I've run out. You're supposed to pour different colors, and it comes out looking like a flower, and it's really pretty, blah blah blah. Well, just for Doug, I'm doing it this way because he's asked for a black on black. And I like to try and achieve what you guys ask me to do. So there we go. We've used all our black. And just going to make sure that we get as much of this paint off the side, out of the bottom of this as possible. And let that close in underneath. Alright. Let me zoom in for you. You actually can see where very not well, I don't know if I can get it to show on camera actually. There is actually splush marks. Can you see those? There we go. So let's try tilting it. Try and keep it vaguely symmetrical. Maybe I should have put this on a on the spinner even, and it might have created. See how I'm bringing the center back. Just help it drip through. Bring it back to the center. I'm going to pick some of this up off here and help make us... Oh, this is so funny. This is for you, Doug. See, I adore you guys, and I do listen to you, and I do try and do what you ask me to do. You ask, I endeavour to create what you desire. Who knows what this is going to show up like. Can you actually, I can actually still see those paw rings. How cool is that? That's so funny. It makes me laugh. And Doug makes me laugh. So that's a good indication that it's definitely a Doug paw. Just bring that down. Come on. And oh, look, one of my trucks is arriving. Okay, I don't think I'm going to have to do a close-up, so you guys get the picture. I'm going to let this drain down. Oops, that wasn't very even, was it? Okay, let's let this dry. And let's see what shows up once it's dry. So I'll be back your time in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so welcome back, and it's dry, and what with guess what? He came to visit while it was drying. Look at this. He had to mark it as his own. It says Doug. Doggy. This is yours, my dear friend. My black on black didn't quite work. I don't know if you can, I don't think it's got any charge in it at all, but I did actually mix in some glow in the dark paint to one of the tins of the black, but it didn't really, you can sort of just see some of it's purpley and some of it's quite black. Didn't really work. I was hoping that the shininess of the glow in the dark would come out, but it doesn't, so I just painted your name on it. I adore you, Doug. Thank you for persisting with the black on black, and flick me a message on Facebook with your address and I'll post this to you. I adore you all, and I receive all your suggestions and enjoy them. Don't always do them, but some of you give me suggestions that I just cannot do without. I adore you all. I hope you had as much fun with this black on black as I did, and how much fun can you add to your life and living? What if all of life could come to you with ease and joy and glory? I adore you all. Bye bye.